Senator Bong Go showed President Rodrigo Duterte's proof of life. On Facebook, Go posted 3 photos with the president. The senator did this after the hashtag PatayNaBa trended online. Netizens noticed the absence of Duterte when Malacanang announced the president postponed his weekly public address Talk to the People. Duterte was last seen by the public on March 29 when he welcomed the arrival of 1 million doses of CoronaVac vaccine the government purchased from China. There was also a report that Duterte suffered a mild stroke. Communications Secretary Martin Andanar dismissed it as fake news. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque earlier explained Duterte postponed his public address after 45 members of the Presidential Security Group tested positive for COVID-19.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.